Hi everyone, welcome. We've been working with regular ER verbs in the present tense in French. In this lesson we are going to work with the regular ER verb dîner, dîner, which means to have dinner. Notice the accent circonflexe in the spelling. Remember, when you remove the ER from the infinitive, you're left with the root. So here's our root, and all you have to do is add the endings. If I want to say in French, I have dinner, I would say je dîne. Je dîne. You have dinner. Tu dînes. Tu dînes. He has dinner, she has dinner, or one has dinner. Il, elle, on dîne. We have dinner. Nous dînons. You have dinner. Vous dînez. And finally, they have dinner. Il, elle dîne. Some expressions that are commonly used with dîner: in a restaurant, dans un restaurant, early, tôt, late, tard. If you want to say I have dinner in a restaurant, you would say je dîne dans un restaurant. I have dinner early, je dîne tôt. I have dinner late, je dîne tard. You have dinner in a restaurant. Tu dînes dans un restaurant. You have dinner early. Tu dînes tôt. You have dinner late. Tu dînes tard. He has dinner in a restaurant. Il dîne dans un restaurant. He has dinner early. Il dîne tôt. He has dinner late. Il dîne tard. To say I have dinner with, you say je dîne avec. I have dinner with my wife. Je dîne avec ma femme. I have dinner with Marie. Je dîne avec Marie. I have dinner with my friends. Je dîne avec mes amis. That's it for this lesson. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this helpful, I would appreciate it very much if you'd give it a like. To continue learning French and go on to the next lesson, click on the video that appears here on your screen. See you soon. À bientôt.